Alright guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to view how many people come to your website. You want to know how many visitors come to your website. In this video I'm going to show you using the Google Search Console. If you want to do that, you can do it on your Google Search Console account. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Google Search Console account and pick your website. So this is my Google Search Console account here, and I want to view the how many visitors are here. If you tick here, you are going to see the impression trend is going to come out, and this is it right there, the blue one. This is the total click. So yeah, the click right there. So if you tick here, you are going to see the click-through rate trend from here. So this is the click-through rate there, and here is the average position on your website. So when I tick that, it's going to show up the trend. So this is the trend list. So now we have the total click trend, total impression trend, average click-through rate trend, and average position trend. So right now, you want to view how many people, how many visitors, how many views you have on your website on each day. When you hover over to this point here, all this here, so you can see all the click here. As you can see, yesterday I have 3 clicks, 161 impression, click-through rate 1.9%, position 12.8. So the day before yesterday, then that's Tuesday. So I have 3 clicks, impression 135, CTR 2.2, so position 13.5. So I want to view on Monday. On Monday I have 13 February. So click-through rate is 2, impression is 164, click-through rate is 1.2%, position is 13.4. So let's check. Just scroll here, over to this point, to the point here, and you can see in each day how many views you get, how many impressions, how many clicks. So now let's say you want to map this thing, you want to map things out. So you want to check day per day. So you want to check how many, you want to map the day out. So you can just go here. So now you want to choose the day that you want to see, that you want to check how many impressions you have. So let's say I want to check February out. Just click it. Now you can see when you go here, it's going to show that that's 3 click, 161 impression, CTR 1.9, position 12.8. So that is it. So you can see it up also, show up here, and you can see it here. The 2 ways you can see it. So if you want to see how many the pages here, you can just click here. So these are the pages your visitors landed on your website on that particular day, on February 15. Okay, if you want to see the keyword, the query that are ranking, so you click queries here. So these are the keywords that take your visitors to your website. So these are the keywords that your website are ranking for on your website. So if you want to check which country your visitors come from, so you can just click here, countries. So from here you can see the countries that your website visitors come from. So they come from United States, Greece, United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, India, Iran, Hong Kong, Ireland. So you're having impression from all these countries. And you have 2 clicks on United States, 1 click on Greece, impression 80, CTR 2.5, position 11.6. So that's how you can compare that. So now let's say I want to know which device they are using to navigate my website. So you can just click here, which devices. So these are mobile, desktop, tablet. So you can see there. Now if you want to map out the mobile, so you want to know which country are using mobile, you can click on it here and you see the mobile there. You can see the mobile there. These 3% use the mobile. So if you want to see search apparent, you can just click here and you can see video ranking there. So you want to go back to date, you can click date here, or you go back from here. You go back from here and you click date and scroll down, choose the date that you want to map out. You can just click it and ready to go. That's how you figure things out on your Google Search Console. So here at the top here, search type web. So you can view on your website what is ranking, what is ranking. This image is your website, this image on your website, this video, is this the Google News that is showing your website to people. So you can view it here. You can also compare it here. You want to compare your web versus image, you can just do it here. You want to compare video versus news, video versus image, and so on and so forth. If you want to compare the day, so last 7 days, you want to compare it with last 7 days, you want to compare it with last 28 days, you can just do it and so forth and so forth. So that's how you see how many visitors come to your website using the Google Search Console. Okay, it is very easy. This is what you can do. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you guys have any question or anything to say about this video, please let me know in the comment area down below. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.